Okay, what's next? How long does a reno take? So a typical master bathroom renovation, I'll book 3 weeks for. Usually that's too long for the actual reno, but I'm gonna book 3 weeks anyways, and that 3-week period is not going to include glass. The glass for showers is made to order and then installed, and so that can't actually be measured and made until we're completely done with the shower, because it's down to a 1/16 of an inch. So outside of the glass, usually I'll book 3 weeks for a master bathroom. Now, a lot of times we can get it done in 2 to 2.5, and then that 7 days that it may take for the glass may put us right over the 3-week mark. But usually outside of the glass, I'm booking 3 weeks for a master bathroom, 2 weeks for a guest bath, 3 weeks for a kitchen, unless we're painting cabinets. If we're painting cabinets, then the prep and the paint of the cabinets alone will usually take me about a week. So I'll probably book 4 weeks for a kitchen if we're painting cabinets. And again, I try to go over on what it's going to take me as far as time goes on the schedule, as opposed to under, because I would rather over deliver than over promise, because I don't want to fall short.